Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 2000 Pontiac Trans Am WS6 killer car, guys. It's got a clean Carfax, 50,000 original miles. It does have some bolt-on performance stuff, but just a neat car. Factory bright red car, factory charcoal or black leather interior, T-top car, 6-speed manual transmission car, a neat car. I've always loved these cars. As you probably noticed, I'm going to start handling some little bit newer models. We're getting a lot more requests for these things, and I won't say that I'll just be buying anything newer, but stuff like this I really like, and so I really don't mind handling it. Love the color combination. Again, it's got a clean Carfax. They've done some bolt-on stuff to it. The guy bought it from said it is a, and this might make sense to more people, it's a cam only upgrade. They upgrade the cam on the car. It's got a camshaft in it. I think this front nose, if you look at it, I think they have repainted this front nose. Ram air hood, that's factory. I've seen a couple little stone pecks as we walk around the car. Factory daytime running light car. I love the hood on this guy. I love this package. T-tops. Again, charcoal leather interior, rear defog, power rear antenna. It's got the Trans Am spoiler package on it. Love the tail lights on these cars. Again, a couple little marks as you kind of walk around it. ZR rated Toyo rubber all the way around. It's got the factory 17-inch aluminum wheels. They did upgrade the complete exhaust system. It's got headers all the way back as a complete custom Flowmaster exhaust system. It's got electric cutouts. If you when you open the electric cutouts, it does set off the service engine soon light, which you just reset off, but I'm sure it messes with the O2 sensors when you do that. Power rear antenna, it works. Air blows ice cold on the car. Mark there. Full wheel disc brakes. Like I say, other than that front nose, and it's not like there's no, I don't see tape lines or anything like that, but it's a little bit, you know, a little shade different. They have upgraded the cold air intake, like I say, complete custom exhaust system on it with the electric dumps, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, air blows ice cold. They put some mirrors underneath the hood here. And of course, these are LS1 5.7 liter engines. Pretty car. Like I said, I believe the rest of the paint is original. Dual remote mirrors. You can see it's got all your original door tags are on it. It does have the little kind of typical crack that we've had. I've seen on these cars. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. The little inside cover broke. I've got a new one on the way. Tilt column. It's got the cruise control. It's got the steering wheel controls. Power seats. Their buckets doesn't even look like they've ever been sat in. Again, T-tops, 6-speed manual transmission, all factory gauge package, original AC or Delco AM FM with remote, or with CD, which is in the back. It's got the electronic traction control in it. Owner's manual is in the glove box. It is keyless entry, rear defog, loaded up with options. Again, it's got a Flowmaster dual exhaust system. It's got the factory 342 posi-traction rear axle in it. Ride and handling package. There's the factory CD player. It's got power trunk release. As always, there'll be photos underneath of the car. Car's nice and clean underneath. Daytime running lights. This is the little cover that cracked and come off there. The back seat looks great. Seats are really nice. Factory center console. Dash looks good. Again, gauges are nice and clean. It is tilt. Blows cold. Runs out good. I want to say it said that whatever he's added is added like 60 horsepower, 50 or 60 horsepower, so it's nothing crazy. Love those daytime running lights. Again, when you open and close, here's the switch for the electric cutouts. It does turn off that engine light. You see 50,000 original miles on the car. All your gauges are functional. It's good old pressure. You know, open those. They clear the dumps. Kind of cool. Then that's when the dumps close instead of straight out the back. Radio works, like I say, air blows cold. Didn't really see anything on the car that didn't work. Flip your headlights on. How to do that. There you go. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our Instagram and Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little red button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Pretty car, man. I just always love these cars.